Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So work out the area trapped in between these two curves. So work out this purple area here. Okay, work out this purple area here. So the question that it boils down to now is, do you do it horizontal? Do you integrate this horizontally? So do you do this horizontally? Do you integrate it horizontally, or do you integrate it vertically? You see, if you do it vertically, if you do it vertically, then it would be you integrating. So if you do it vertically, it would be you integrating from minus 0.5 to 1, to 0 here. So it'd be you need to find an expression for this height here. So it would be something, and then times, well, what is the width of this rectangle here? The width of this rectangle is well, the width here is the across here, which is dx. So it will be dx here. So it will be you integrating from here to here. But then don't forget, in this region here, it behaves differently from this region here. Okay, so if you do it horizontally, then you have to split it up into two different integrals. So it would be you doing this plus, and then plus from 0 to whatever this point is. You need to work this point out. So it would be from 0 to whatever here. You need to work this out, and then you would need to find the expression for the integrand here. So you need to find the expression for this height here, and then times it with the across. Well, the across is also dx. You see, if you do it vertically, you will run into trouble if you do it vertically, because how would you find an expression for the height here? Well, if you look at the red line here, you've got something like, let's say this here is a. If you put a into this machine here, so this is for the red line, okay, red. If you put a into the red line here, it will spit out two different values here. It will spit out this value here, and or it could spit out this value here, or it could spit out this value here. But then how would you find an expression for this height? If you do it vertically, it would be difficult. But if you do it horizontally, so if you do it horizontally, so it would be you integrating from 0 to 1. So it would be from 0 to 1, and then you would need to come up with an expression for this height here. Well, you see, everything here is unique. If you look at the red line here, if you do it horizontally, if you put the y value into this machine here, so this is for the red line here. If you put the y value into this machine here, it will give you a unique x value. It will give you a unique x. So, and then if you look at the blue line, it's the same. If you look at the blue line, if you put in a unique value for y, if you put in a unique value for y into here, it will spit out a unique value for x. So, but the point here is that you would need to find a way of finding out the width here, and then you would need to times it with the height. Well, the height in this case would be dy. So it would be you trying to do this. Okay. Well, the point is that if you do it vertically, it's really hard to find an expression for this height here. But if you do it horizontally, it's much easier, because if you look at the red line here, is like a machine, red. You put a y value in here, it will spit out only one value for x. But if you do it vertically, it's like if you do it vertically, you put in a unique value for x, and then it spits out two values for y, and you don't know which one to use. Well, do it horizontally. It will be a lot easier. So press pause and have a go. Work out the area work out this purple area. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, you should set it up as this, because oops, sorry. So it would be hang on, bear with me. So it would be to do it horizontally. So so the length here is given by the red line. So you need to get red. You need to work out the x value for so if you want to work, if you want to locate this point here, then let's use a 0.5 here. If you want to work out this height here, it would be you putting the y value here. It would be you putting this y value into here and then into here, and then it will then give you the x value here. It will be unique, and then you need to work out the length here. This length here would be you putting 0.5 into the blue line here, and then this here would represent this. Okay, so hang on. So from here to here, this bit here would represent this bit from here to here, and then this bit here would represent this bit here. But don't forget, this thing here will give you a negative value here. So if you want to know the total height, it would be this. It would be the red. Take away the blue, and it will be take away, because the blue alone will be a negative number later on. Later on, it will be a negative number, and then you would take the negative out, and then it turns it into a plus. So it does, in a way, get this length plus this length. But yeah, so it would be, this whole length here would be red take away blue. So it will be red take away blue, and then it would be blah blah blah, work it out, and then it would take you to this. Okay, so the area is given by that.